That camera has taught me how to pause, breathe, find the quiet detail most people ignore, the beauty hiding in plain sight. My kids, I get to notice their curiosity, their joy, their little gestures that are growing up way too fast. These fleeting moments became alive, delicate, and full of meaning. Filming does not just preserve memories, it opens your eyes to them. It teaches you to be present in the moment. Life does not shout, it whispers. And for the first time, I started to listen.